Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Making this my new flying area. It's actually my classic flying area though. But I'm out here to test out this little drone that I put together, y'all. Put your hands together for what I put together. My bad, y'all. The MC coming out of me, but I put this little thing together. I think this frame here came from LDARC. Can't remember what quad it was. I know it was ending in GT. Can't remember exactly. But I put this little board on here. Just all these are just spare parts and everything from other little quads and drones and stuff. And so I got I think these motors might be from a different LDARC quad, but it's the same KV, almost the same. It was King Kong back then. Nowadays they call it LDARC. So King Kong motors on it, and this flight controller on here I took from another quad, a tiny brushless quad, but this little ESC combination thing right here, 4-in-1 ESC, is original from the LDARC quad, the King Kong quad. I just wired this thing up to it. The wires look a mess right there. Can't tell you what all the wires are right now, but they should be wired up right. Should be wired up correctly. And that little plug right there, I had to do a modification because the flight controller that belonged on here, it was just pins that you press it on, so it was an easy fit. So I had to do my little thing and wire this thing up. And I have a little FR Sky D8 mode receiver on here, antenna sticking out the back there, and I just plan to fly this thing line of sight, trying to make a little line of sight flyer. I didn't really get my rates correctly set up, so I won't be doing any acro for now. I'll be doing angle mode, just flying it around, making sure that it works. That's if it does get off the ground and work. Later I'll do all the programming and everything to get this thing flying acro, and I plan to show you guys this thing flying acro. Should be a big difference. But let's get it up in the air now on angle mode, just to test this thing and make sure it's a nice line of sight flyer. Let's get it. Sun's coming from that direction strong. Forgot to tell y'all I have my deviated Devo 12E out here, 4-in-1 module. Let's get this thing up in the air, hopefully. Okay, so that's good. We did wire things up correctly. Sound like we got something coming, a truck coming. The sun was blinding me, y'all. I think I do have the mode set up for acro, so I can fly it in acro now, but it just won't turn over fast enough for me. I do have my attack angle kind of high on angle mode, so I can do some nice funnels with it. Bring it over here to the light. Sheesh, I can't see when I get it down there. I think I'm gonna walk over here, y'all. Get out of that sun. Hopefully you guys can see it better with the lighting change over here to the shade. Okay, let's look at the funnel again, in case you guys couldn't see it then. Uh-oh. I think that battery is dying on me. Let me see. Yeah, I think this battery can't take too much out here in this cold weather. Can't really punch it and all. I gotta put a buzzer on this thing so I can at least see where the battery level is at. So you guys should be able to see the yeah, it's browning out now because the battery is too low. But hopefully you guys will be able to see this guy flying in acro and all. I'll be able to get the dang, the battery died on. I hope I didn't kill this battery. No lights on at all. But hopefully you guys will be able to see this guy flying in acro with my rates and everything, so I could do some flippy floppies, some power loops and all of that stuff. Hope you guys can have a great start to your week. Thanks for watching.